really asking, we'll get away.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Mackenzie. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an ultimate clean with me, where I'm going to be cleaning my entire house. We are actually about to leave for vacation, so I just wanted to make sure it was completely clean before we left. Nobody likes to come home to a dirty house.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Y'all know, if you have watched my videos before, that the first thing I always do is wash my dishes. So here comes everybody's favorite part, cleaning out the sink. I don't know what it is, but I feel like it's just so appealing to watch other people clean out their sink. Isn't that so weird?
Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
And then I'm just going to go ahead and take this Method All-Purpose Spray in the scent Sea Salt and Lime and just spray it in the sink. The scent actually lingers for a long time, so I just spray it there and leave it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clear off the counter so I can wipe them all down. And then if any of you noticed the sign in the background earlier, it said Happy New Year. So I'm just going to go ahead and finally change it and put Happy Spring.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my stove with the Wayman cooktop cleaner. My stove did get a little dirty this morning. I cooked some chicken and some eggs, and what else did I cook? Oh yeah, cinnamon rolls for the girls.
It's not that long.
Now I'm just going in and cleaning my counters with the Method Granite and Surface Cleaner. And as you see, this time I'm actually moving everything. If you notice in some of my other cleaning videos, I don't always move this stuff. Sometimes I'm just spot cleaning, especially after I get off work at night.
I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my table with the Method Wood Cleaner, and I'm almost out of it, so I need to go back on Grove and order me some. Also, I get all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative, well, most of the cleaning products, and I will leave a link down in my description below. If you guys have never ordered from them before, you can actually get $10 off of your first order.
Will you let me down?
Now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up this living room, and I'm pretty sure in about an hour it's just going to be destroyed just like it is now. I'm sure all of you know about how that goes.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
So right here, I'm just cleaning off my table. It's just a wet rag. This table is kind of just plain wood. It's not polished or anything. Actually, if you run your fingers across it, you would probably get a splinter. I really don't know what to clean it with because I'm afraid to spray anything on it because I'm afraid it'll get stained. So if you know what to clean it with, please leave it down in the comments below.
I love you. Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
I know all of you that are subscribed to my channel already and have watched my videos before are probably thinking, oh my gosh, when is this girl ever going to put anything on this table? But y'all, I still have no idea what I want to do with it.
To focus in the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and coke.
Right here, I'm just going ahead and taking Alex's work clothes out of the washer and putting them in the dryer. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the girls' clothes started so they can all be clean for vacation.
Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous.
And then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the windows. The pollen has been really bad around here. I don't do this as much as I should, but today I went ahead and got it done, and I'm going to try to start doing it at least once a week.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
Starting on the bathroom right here, and I'm going ahead and moving everything off of the bathtub, and then I'm going to spray my scrubbing bubbles in. This is still my favorite bathroom cleaner, and just let it sit for a minute.
Under pressure, sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you.
To clean my toilet, I am using the Clorox toilet wands, and I will leave this link down in the description box. I have been loving these so much. I love that they're disposable and you don't have to use the same brush every time you clean your toilet.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like your type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for the night. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play.
Now, I usually don't film in my room a whole lot, and that is because the lighting is horrible. We have blackout curtains because we hate to wake up with the light shining in our eyes, but today I raised them up a little bit, so you will get to see my room a little bit in this video.
Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor. You've got me in a kind of dream, the baddest one I've ever seen. All night, all wild, howling at the moon. You've got me in a place unknown, free falling and I'm letting go. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh.
So I also don't film in here a lot whenever I am doing a cleaning video, but I do keep my filming equipment in here. This is my office, but I also share it with Piper and her food and her litter box, so it's kind of messy in here sometimes. So I'm trying to figure out what I can do with the litter box to hide it. One of the other girls that I watch here on YouTube, she's a really good friend of mine, Mandy. She has a little thing in her house that hides the litter box, so I may get one of those. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to vacuum with my V6 Animal and mop with my Bona mop, and I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the music.
Saw you glance, your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cover through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name, I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be, I want you all to keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you liked it, remember to give it a thumbs up, and I would love to have you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.
To be